Iran is currently at the center of global politics. The country is cornered by US threats and military actions. In the streets of Tehran, there is only one topic of discussion. What is the relationship between the US and Iran headed? The people of Tehran are spending their days in deep anxiety over the potential conflict. Most citizens hope for a solution through dialogue rather than war. The belief armed conflict will not bring any benefit to the country. One resident said, if war breaks out, our currency will weaken further against the dollar. Life for common people will become even harder. That's why we oppose war. A successful negotiation is the best path. Iran's economic structure has already collapsed under US pressure. Many fear that a full-scale war will lead to two terrible sufferings. Another resident added, we are already in an economic war. Current inflation is worse than military conflict. However, if anyone dares to attack us, they will face a terrifying consequence.